In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add pricing plans on your Wix website, a feature that allows you to provide your users with various service options. Begin by navigating to your Wix editor. Once you are there, look towards the left sidebar. There should be an option labeled Add Apps. Clicking on this will open a search bar. Into this search bar, input the term pricing plans to find the precise app we need for this activity. After you've located it, click Add to Site, which will automatically incorporate a new page to your website, going by the name Plans and Pricing. Next, we move on to the creation of your pricing plans. Start by accessing your website's dashboard, and from there, choose the option that reads Pricing Plans. Once you're in, find and click on the plus Create Plan button. This action will open up a form for you to fill in the details of your new plan. These details include the plan's name, a short description of what the plan includes, and an optional cover image, if you think it's necessary. The system allows you to specify the individual benefits or services associated with your new plan in the Benefits section. Simply tick the checkboxes corresponding to the services or content you wish to associate with the plan. Then, within the Pricing Options section, set your desired price. Select the payment frequency, which could be monthly, yearly, or others according to your business model, and determine the length of the plan, such as until canceled or for a custom duration. Remember, depending on your preferences, options like offering plans for free, features like a free trial, or a setup fee can also be implemented. Once all details are filled out according to your satisfaction, click Save. This process can be repeated for as many plans as you desire to create. Lastly, let's tweak and establish links in your plans. Go back to your editor, locate the new Plans and Pricing page, and specifically click on the Plans and Pricing element for editing purposes. Here, in the settings, find and open the Plans tab to select the plans that you'd like to display on your page. These plans can then be connected to specific services of your website, whether that is Wix bookings, events, or others to easily manage memberships or packages. You also have the flexibility to alter the design and layout of your pricing plans widget. This way, you can ensure that the look of your new pricing plans feature harmonizes seamlessly with the rest of your website branding for a visually consistent user experience. With these steps, the process of adding, creating, customizing, and connecting pricing plans on your Wix website becomes quite manageable. Happy editing!